Hello guys. Okay, so congratulations on making an end of this course. I hope you are able to follow all the examples and sessions. And now you will be able to create your own chatbots by using both framework, as well as you will be able to use LUIS and cognitive services within it. I will upload the exported zip file for LUIS app which we have created throughout this series, as well as both app that we have created to GitHub. So if you stuck anywhere and unable to solve it, then this will be helpful to you. And I will also upload a presentation so you can revise what you have learned throughout this series in few minutes. In this series, I have tried to cover all the concepts of both framework, LUIS and cognitive services that required by newbies to create their own intelligent chatbots. And throughout this series, I have just created some simple examples. I hope you will use advanced concepts. I had published both in only 5 to 6 platforms. However, there are 10 to 12 supported platforms available. I have used only some of the popular and common cognitive services, but you can also try others too. Cognitive services packages may be available at the time you watch this video, so you can use it for all cognitive services. You can also visit Microsoft's official documentation if you have any queries. I have added all links of necessary documentation for those components. At last, I just want to say that if you have any questions and feedback regarding this course, or if you want to stay in touch via email, please do not hesitate to do so. Or you can also post your queries in question answer section or comments. So, thank you so much for taking this course, and I'm wishing you all the very best to create your own intelligent chatbots using Microsoft Bot Framework, LUIS, and cognitive services. Thank you.